What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So here we are, we're at the Port of Bass in Newfoundland, waiting to get on the ferry. I've been here a day already. Looks like I'm going to be here another 2 more days. Today is Thursday. I cannot get off the island until Saturday, is looking like, if I even do. Right now it's saying restricted vehicles, commercial vehicles only, and I believe restricted means that it's all vehicles with dangerous goods are going to be the ones they load. I don't know, but we got quite the lineup here of trucks and stuff, and it's not looking too good. Quite choked about it, actually. Like, sucks. But I wasn't even sure if I was going to make this video, because I mean, who really cares, right? Nobody cares. I don't think anybody cares. I care, because I mean, I've been sitting here. I got here, what did I get here? Today is Thursday. Yeah, I got here Tuesday morning, early in the morning. So I've been here since Tuesday. No, Wednesday, sorry. I got here Wednesday early in the morning, so it's now Thursday, and it looks like it'll be Friday, Saturday, something like that. Saturday before I get out of here. So right now I'm gonna go and see if I can get something to eat. I'm starting to get to the point where I'm getting hungry because I'm bored, which kind of sucks, but oh well, at least there's food to eat. I gotta pay for it, but at least there's food to eat. Anyways, let me go in here, get some food, and we'll see how it goes. Well, we got my order. I'm just waiting for it to serve up, and then I eat it. I got a 3-piece chicken and fries with gravy, and then my Pepsi Max, as I always drink. $27 for it. I mean, that's just outrageous, but I gotta eat. And I do have stuff in the truck, but you can't eat that all the time. So anyways, let me just wait for that to go. Alright, guys, so I just ate. I paid $27 for chicken breast, a leg, and a wing. The wing was very small, and then it came with fries and gravy. Outrageous. I would never pay that again. I mean, I should have realized the breakfast. Yeah, okay, the breakfast was all right. I paid like $20 for the breakfast, but it had bacon, it had sausages, it had eggs, it had hash browns. You know, it was good, but I mean, I spent $50 today on over $50 on food today. So, you know, it's not bad, but it's a little outrageous. You know, when you add that up in the run of a week, that's over $300 a week in food. You know, and then you're not including any little snack that you might want to get on the road or whatever. But it is what it is. I had to eat. So I do have stuff in my truck that I can't eat. Like, I still have hot dogs and buns and that I can eat, but I feel like I'm not getting enough into my system. Like, I needed to eat more. So let's do a quick little get up here, and I'll show you the lineup right quick. See if we can get a view, a surrounding view. Oh, sorry about the camera. I'm trying to climb with the camera. There you go. You can see all the trucks, and yeah, it's lined up. Like I said, it's been the ferry's been down for 2 days already, and 2 or 3 days now, and it's going to be down even longer. So it is what it is. Okay, I got to get back down, so I got to watch where I'm going. So we'll come back. Well, guys, it's the next day, and I believe I'm getting out of here tonight. I was talking to one of the guys in there, and he said there's a a boat leaving tonight. A boat leaving tonight, so it looks like I'm going to get out of here tonight, thank God. They did take a bunch there the other day, which I assumed, so that means that I should be one of the first to go on now. I should be in line. I mean, I've been here since the 4th, and we're going to get out of here. Today's the 7th. So I've been here 3 days. Yeah, 3 days. I got here Tuesday morning at 4 in the morning, and I've been here Tuesday, Wednesday, and today's Thursday. So 3 days here. I'm finally going to get out of here tonight. From what I understand, there's a boat going across tonight, which is excellent. So that is a very good sign. So now talked to my boss, I let him know, and I also, he said he's going to make up my my load and send it to me, so I'll know what I'm doing when I get off the boat at 7 in the morning, I guess it'll be. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. I'm done sitting here. It's been a long, boring ride, you know, sitting here. Just nothing to do. Literally nothing to do. The only thing to do is go spend $30 to eat in the restaurant, you know, and that's just, it's all right to do it once, but, you know, once or twice, but having to do it every day, it gets very expensive, you know, like sitting here for 3 days, it's like $200 gone, right? So, you know, you take the good with the bad. Yeah, I understand that, you know, it's not, you know, it wasn't supposed to, you know, this is not something that happens all the time, but it does happen, and you got to be prepared for it. So here we are. We are prepared for it, and we're dealing with it, and hopefully I get out of here tonight. With that said, I'm not going to keep going on and on. Let's see what happens tonight, and let's get on that boat and get out of Dodge. Well, I made it across. I'm on the road. I'm heading to grab my load. I forgot to take my camera with me last night. It was late last night when I got on the boat. I was so excited, and all I could think about was getting washed. I spent 4 days, well, not 4 days, 3 full days. Like, what would it have been? It would have been Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. No, yeah, 4 days. So Friday night, yeah, like last night was Friday night, and I got on the boat last night at midnight. So I literally spent 4 days at the ferry terminal. So glad that that's over. I'm across. I'm going to get a load. I hear there's another storm on its way, so we'll see what happens here, but I don't know. I'm hoping I can get across and grab the other load over there after I drop this one. Just do my thing. It's only rain. Rain doesn't affect me. All I do is keep an eye on the temperature outside. As long as it stays above freezing, the roads are fine. And as long as it's not snowing like a son of a gun. But anyways, with that said, let's go get this load. Well, guys, I made it down to the big stop here at Port Hawkesbury, and I'm all loaded up. But as you can see, engine is not doing what it should be doing. I think I blew the turbo or air-to-air line. We won't know until the mechanic gets here. He'll know better. I have no idea. Like, I got no power. That's all I can tell you. I have no power, so he'll know better once he gets here and we figure it out. I know the lights, it's dark. I didn't even record loading the cars. It was pouring out rain, so anyways, let's see when he gets here what happens. So guys, we figured out the problem. There's a pipe that goes from here down to here. It connects to the EGR cooler, and that pipe blew. So we're sitting ducks. We haven't got the part to fix it. So right now he's on the phone with my boss trying to figure it out. But that's where we're at. And well, guess what? I guess I'm sitting here until Monday. Just loving it, hey. Sit 4 days at the ferry, and then we'll sit 2 more days at the truck stop waiting for parts. Alright guys, it's the next day. I'm still here. So now that it's daylight, I can actually show you what's going on. So there's a tube that comes into here, and it goes down and it connects to here. And that's what blew that there. So I guess this here, this is your intake. I believe that's what that would be. That'd be your like intake, and then this here is your EGR cooler, I guess is what they call that. And the tube that goes from that to the intake is what's blowing, and it's not giving me no pressure on the turbo, right? Because this all comes down, it goes into here, and I guess it goes into the turbo and with the boost or whatever. I'm not 100% sure. I have no idea, to be honest. But that's what blew. So we're waiting on that part, and again I'll show you just so you can see, make sure that you can see. So here it comes up behind there and then connects into here. So I don't know, like honestly I think he could have done something to do it up and make it work, but anyways, I don't know how it works, so I can't really say. But anyways, that's what broke. I'm still sitting here. I'm gonna be sitting here until Monday morning, from what I understand, and then he's gonna take it to a shop where they can actually weld it up, because it's not just I guess it's not just a regular steel, it's a certain kind of steel. I think he said galvanized maybe, or so you need a galvanized rod. Yeah, it's a galvanized steel, so you need a galvanized rod to weld it. That's what he was saying, I believe. So with that said, that's where we're at. Wait and see what happens tomorrow. Well guys, it's 6:30 at night, and I just got the phone call. He's on the way with the parts, and it's Sunday, so I was expecting to have to stay here until tomorrow. It looks like I should be able to possibly get on the boat tonight, which would be good in one sense, because you know, in the other sense, I don't know if I'm going to get on the boat tonight, because I did want to stop and get a couple things, and I mean, I could always go over to Newfoundland and then get it on the way back, but yeah, I'll see what time I get out of here and see what time I get down there, like down to North Sydney, and figure it out what I'm gonna do. But yeah, so we'll see what happens here. Well guys, I went down to the ferry and they turned me away. I got a booking number right here, booking number, and they'll call me when there's room in the port for me to park, I guess. I'm not getting on the ferry for another 2 days now, so I can't make this stuff up. This is just outrageous. Like, it's hilarious. So hopefully they'll call me after the boat leaves tomorrow with the load of people on it, and I can go park down there, because I'd rather just park down there than have my truck sitting just anywhere. It's just, at least in there you have to have a ticket or something to get through the gates, you know, and then it's more secure there. You know, I could always go park where I usually park when I'm taking my time off, but if they call me, then I gotta drive all the way back out here. It just doesn't make sense. So anyways, with that said, I'm gonna end the video here, and you can find out what happens on the next video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We'll catch you on the next one.